Jordan 5 Fire Red Black Tongue makes a strong comeback, cementing its status as a cultural and sporting icon. Originally introduced in 1990 by legendary designer Tinker Hatfield, the model drew influence from World War II fighter planes, most evident in its shark teeth midsole and bold silhouette. Its crisp white leather upper, striking red details, and signature black tongue deliver a timeless aesthetic, while the icy translucent sole provides a modern finish. Performance-wise, it set new standards in basketball footwear through its breathable mesh side panels and Nike's visible air cushioning, offering unmatched comfort and support on the court. Loved by athletes and collectors alike, the shoe carries a legacy that blends innovation with style. Now re-releasing on September 13 for $210 in adult sizes, the Fire Red Black Tongue continues to remind sneaker fans why it remains one of Jordan Brand's most celebrated designs.